that is the artworm, very popular one. This also comes under the group, that is the Annelida. This one coming under the group Nematoda. This one coming under the group flatworm, that is the Platyhelminthes. So just try to find a difference between the three types of worms. All of them are worms, but this I told as they are either free living or parasitic. But Ascaris, they are mainly parasitic. They reside within our small intestine, and as they are 35 centimeters like that, their length is, so there can be numerous Ascaris at a time in the intestine of a living organism like us. On the other hand, leech, that is also parasitic. But at the same time, artworm, they are parasitic, but some of them can live in the moist soil only. Here we are having a good example, that is the artworm being, that is, it is called the farmer's friend. And another important term is vermicomposting. Two terms I have to give you over here. One is vermicomposting and another one is farmer's friend. Why? Why they are so called? Why they are called farmer's friend and why they are required for vermicomposting? Because artworm mainly they make burrows within the soil, and while they make burrows within the soil, they loosen the soil. As a result of which, the soil can get more air and water, due to which the fertility of the soil increases. They can the roots can grow easily. On the other hand, contrary, the earthworm feed on the dead organic matter. Okay, they live in the burrows and they feed on the dead organic matter. While they are feeding the dead organic matter, they are breaking them, decomposing them, and at the same time, the portion that is undigested, the waste product that they are giving out after taking the food, are in the form of the small pellets that increases the fertility of the soil. That is called, they are known as the farmer's friend. They help in increasing the fertility of the soil at the same time, helping in letting the air moisture at the same time, increasing the fertility of the soil. So they are called the farmer's friend, and they are doing so by the way that is called vermicomposting. They are decomposing the the organic matter in the soil by taking the nutrients from them and giving the excreta back in the soil. Clear? So I hope that today what I will have a quick recap of the thing that I have done right now, that classification of the animals kingdom classification we have did today in vertebrate group. We have not done the vertebrate group today. We are doing only with the invertebrate groups. Here in vertebrate groups we are having 8. Out of that I have explained only 5 for you. Here I have written some of the basic criteria on the basis of which this classification has been done. I have discussed some of the characteristic features along with the examples of each phylum, and I have also explained the difference between the 3 types of worms or the phyla, that is the flatworms, roundworm, and the segmented worm. So this is also equally important for you, and at the same time observe the diagrams while you read. That will help you to understand the distinguishable features. I am not going for details today with the Arthropoda mollusca and the Gynodermata. I will deal this with the next day. Okay, till then go with this only. Have a clear view with that. And another thing is that these 3 having some special for performing excretion, they have some special cells in them. They are having the flame cells. For excretion they are having the flame cells. In this group they don't have any specialized cells. They don't have, so I can write no specialized cells. But in this group they are also having one specialized cell, that is called nephridia. So I am writing over here nephridia for performing excretion. All this for performing excretion. So this group perform excretion by nephridia. They don't have any specialized nematoda. They don't have any specialized organ for excretion. But the flatworms are having specialized organ for excretion, that is the flexors. So here I explained the three. Okay. Up to this much is okay for you, I think. So go with that. Till then, be safe. Remain at home. Take care of yourself. And do a little bit of studies. Any queries, we will solve it out in the Google Meet. Feel free to ask me in the Google Meet. Till then,